Amazing morning! So today we are taking our barley again. It's everyday routine for our healthy living. This is our fourth box of barley. So, yung mga authentic po na mga barley, yan, yung box po is silyado po siya. Ayan. Tapos, ayan, pinagreen lalo yung box niya. This is the new packaging of barley. 10 sachets inside. Ayan. So, may name po ng barley. Dapat yung yung barley nyo, yung may brand ha. Wala yung, pagka wala siyang ganito, parang yung pansit canton lang na sachet, that means it's fake. So, you better get the original one. Kasi this is for our good health. Kasi inumin natin yan, di ba? Papasok sa katawan natin yan. This is Jinky Guillen, your legit distributor for I Am Worldwide Amazing Pure Organic Barley. For your order, just click the yellow basket. Thank you. Bye!